Dave Snyder here. It is August the 30th, 2012. Okay, so I made a video about this last night, but the video was kind of long, and it didn't come up to like 10 minutes in the video, so I'm making this quick video today to show this overlay. And this is kind of scary. You might not want to watch this. Okay, this is reversed image overlay, Mare Orientale, over the Earth. You flip the picture over, overlay it onto the Earth. It's a big crater on the side of the moon. It's not that big, supposedly, from what we're told, but I think we're going to see different at this right now. Okay, so pretty much you can see where that goes, and how I found out that went there. You'll see, if you want, you can watch the other video as I discovered it. I discovered it while I was making the video, so if you might want to watch that video. But it's like 10 minutes into the video. It's the last one I made, and it was amazing. I had the weather patterns on. And they're different today, actually. So, but look how they fit still. Just a little update on the weather pattern here. Look at how they fit in there still. Look at this line over here of the clouds. Totally different than they were yesterday, but look how it fits today still. It wasn't even like that yesterday. It was totally different. All this was different. I lined it right up. You just got to watch the other video. But this is just incredible the way this fits. Not just in the weather. Not just in the weather. Okay, you ready? Oh, by the way, this line represents 500 miles. That's a 500-mile line exactly. So, just look at Africa there. Look at Africa. Look at Spain. Look at all of it. Look at this in the center. Look, see the big curve? And this inside in the center. Look at that. Same thing. That goes there. Look at, you see a big bump right there where that volcano is, and that one right there is. Look at that. Incredible. That is just incredible. Right here. Look at the Mediterranean and all this right here. Look at that. Look at this, all this. I mean, that's very interesting. Look at this. Look at this. See the shape right here? You can see this right here. Look. Look at that. Greece. Wow, that's really interesting. Really interesting. Here's that line that comes up through, creates the, what's that? The Adriatic, right? Hope so. I don't want to sound stupid. Alright. There's a few things that I noticed that were off, but not much. Look at this. You can even see this crater in the ocean. Right in place. Here, back out. Look at that. Look at every line and curve. It's right in place. You got to stand back from your monitor. Have it on full screen. If you can't, don't have it on full screen. You won't see what I'm talking about. Look at the weather. Look at this. Right. See how it just has that little circle right there, right in the spot, right there, right there. Because it goes there. I use the weather patterns to find that. And last night, let me just tell you, you watch the other video, you'll see the weather patterns. They line up today, but they lined up yesterday too, just as good as they do today. Look at that, right there, it curls in that little crater. Look at that, right there. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. So that means that this crater, here's another 500 miles. That's 1,500, another 200, or another 1,000 miles there. 2,500 miles just the crater in this one. And then watch this. Here's something else I got to show you. Okay, so I showed you the one in Africa and Europe already a while back. And it's a little bit bigger than this one. It's the same crater, but it's a little bit bigger. Let me just show you here. This is really interesting. Oh, too far. Oh. Right here. Nope, not that one. You check this out. Okay, this one I showed already. This lines up so perfect in Africa and Europe. I mean, it's perfect. But check it out over this other crater. Together shows something. Look at the rings. Look at the ring. That's an overlapping impact right there. Puzzles coming together. Look at the shape here. Look at this. Look at the shape right here. Watch. Look at this right here. It comes down right here. That is, oh man. Two impacts, same crater, on the moon. Two impacts together in the location that they happened, right here. Weather patterns don't show much. Look at this. I mean, look at it. See how it's all going this direction, this direction. I noticed that the other night. I think I even saved a picture of that. It was a lot clearer than this. I saw the two circles. Yeah, I think I did see that. Look at that. Goes this way, goes this way. That way, that way, that way, that way. Two impacts side by side. Overlap. This looks a little weird here, but you can see. Look at the lines. These ones line right up. So that's pretty awesome. That's something I almost don't like seeing it. But you know, I don't know. Whoever puts the images out, that's what we got to question next. There's no question that they fit on the Earth. No question that they fit right here on the Earth. Now we have to wonder about the images. Make sure they're correct. And not some kind of false prank or something. That is something else. Here, I'll show you the one in Africa by itself. In case you've never seen it. That one fits so good. No question that goes there. So there you go. That's a pretty interesting overlay right there. Oh, right in the middle. I wanted to show you some stuff right in the middle of it. This one that I got overlaid on here right now that I just showed. This one here. Damn it. Okay, the center of it. Look at the center of it. All right, center of it. And then look at the center. Look at this right here. This is the same thing. It's just a little bit off. To have the rest, you got to give up something. But look at that. If that was just up a little bit, that would fit right in that shape right there. This shape would fit right in there. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Would fit right in. See it? So that's about all that's off. You got to remember, this is a mosaic of this crater, the Mare-Oriental crater on the moon. This is, you know, Google Earth. So, and it's just computer drawings, and it's on two separate round objects. Actually, on one now, but that's pretty interesting because I always thought this was an exit wound. Basically, I thought the Mid-Atlantic Ridge was split on this side because it was impacted on the opposite side, and that still could be. That could still be part of it, but it's definitely impacted right there, and it's no question about that. If these pictures are right, like I said, that line is 500 miles. Gives you some kind of idea, and that's just that crater. They say the moon's 25, you know, just under 2,500 miles, you know, 23 or something like that. 20, I think it's 21, and I mean that's just incredible. You see everything is right in place. Everything. Look at this up here. Right here. Watch. can see that all that's from that. That is that. Look at, you can see the oval there. Up here where this cuts in. Look at this right here. I'm just taking my time to show you here because I think it should be done slow. Now this, look at this. This could be off a little bit. See that big crater should be probably right there. I'm not moving it because you can see everything else lines up pretty good. So I don't move. I'm just going to leave it like that. I could be wrong about that. Actually, that looks like it does go there. Watch. Yep, it goes there. Then you can see this other thing too right here. Pretty damn interesting. Yeah, that's a good one. All right. Have a good day. Good night. Good morning.